Welcome to TC Communications support website, tccom.us. The purpose of this site is to access a repository of information related to the products you have purchased from us. You will have the ability to view warranty information as well as being able to access downloadable material for your devices, including manuals, firmware updates, training videos, and more. The first thing you'll see is the login screen, where you can log in to access your account. Of course, if you do not have an account, click on Create an Account and follow the simple process. Below is a series of videos that will assist you, including how to create an account and what to do if you're having trouble signing in. Once you're signed in, you'll see this page where you can enter your products into your account by clicking Add Products. Simply type in the sales order number followed by the serial number and then clicking Add Product. Entering one serial number will automatically add all the products from your order. If you're struggling to find your order number and serial number, there should be this card included in the product package with just that information. Otherwise, please send an email to technicalsupport@tccom.com. Once you enter your order number and serial number, you will see the products from your order populate here. On the right side, you'll see the status of your warranty, including the expiration date and whether it's active or expired. If you click on a product, you'll see a description as well as documentation, including a datasheet and every generation of user manuals. Under Downloads, you will find firmware upgrades for every generation of this product. However, we do recommend that you talk to TC Support first before going through the upgrade process, just to make sure that you don't try to install an incompatible version. In addition to firmware, you can also download the upgrade guide as well as release notes. If you need help at any point, you can click on the Get Help button in the top right corner, or send an email to technicalsupport@tccom.com. If you click on Other Resources, you can download a single MIB file for all your products. MIB files are used with SNMP for interfacing our jumbo switch with a third-party network management system. Also, under Other Resources, you will find links to training videos. These include everything from installation, setup, and testing. Please look forward to more of these videos in the future. Lastly, if you scroll down from any page, you'll see more options, including remote support. This link will open up TeamViewer, which will allow our support staff to remotely access your system to check the condition of your products, how they're working, the configuration, and so on. However, this feature should only be used in tandem with online guidance from the TC support staff. And this type of session will have to be scheduled with TC Support. And that is a brief introduction to our support website. If you need more information, please send an email to technicalsupport@tccom.com. Thanks for watching.